What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to JC Motive Garage. My son is starting a YouTube channel. What we got is my 2005 Acura Rsx. Gonna give it to my daughter when she turns 16. She's 15 now, so there's a little bit of things that need to be done to it. There's exhaust leak right underneath here. I put a new exhaust in it, and right underneath here is, you can see, right, wait a minute, let me check that camera. There we go, right there. It's leaking right there because it's eBay exhaust. And right back there, I know you really can't see it, but right back there, there's another gasket right there. So we're gonna have to replace those. And also we have a little bit of body damage right back here because of an accident. So we're gonna do some body work. We're gonna sand that out, try to buff that out a little bit, put some filler in it, and we're gonna get it painted. And I also put a, let's get this hood open here for a second. It's not opening. There we go. Yep, it's a Vtec, just the RSX, the base model Vtec, but still a Vtec. And we got a nice header back there, which makes it sound good. This is the factory one that just came off of there, so it's getting a little better gas mileage, a little bit more performance. It's got a little bit of exhaust leak, but we're gonna get that fixed. And right in here, see, it's got 149,905 miles, so almost 150,000 miles on it. So let's start it up. Got an airbag light on, but that's because of that right there. Yep, the seatbelt is not connecting with the ABS module, so we're gonna have to get that fixed and get a new one of those. Other than that, I think it sounds pretty good. Just gonna have to get that exhaust fixed, but besides those things, and we're gonna do transmission flush, a filter and a flush on that. We're gonna get that done, and hopefully a little bit of body work too on the hood. It's got a little bit right there, you can see a little bit of clear coat peeling, but we're gonna sand that all down, and hopefully we can get it painted, and right before her birthday we can surprise her with my old 2005 RSX, because I bought that. That's my 2008 JKU. This also has a little bit of work that we're going to need to do to it, like right there in the fender, but we're going to round the line these fenders. We're going to get all that done. We're going to do a transmission flush on here. The rear end, it just got a brand new top put on it with tinted windows. And yes, it's a Smitty built. It's a Smitty built premium top for my Jeep. I love it. So that concludes this vehicle, or that concludes this video. So stay tuned, and we'll be doing some maintenance and some stuff to my RSX, and hopefully we can get it done soon because her birthday's in January. So I want to surprise her with everything done on this car, and hopefully she'll like it. So that concludes this video of JC Motive Garage. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, subscribe, and share so we can start our YouTube channel and start getting some more vehicles. Hopefully we can buy some from the auction and bring it home and do some work to them. So until next time,